Hey beauties! This is my Scarecrow makeup tutorial. It's super easy to do. You can do it with products you already have at home, and it's pretty quick. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep watching. So the first couple steps are just really quick. First, we're going to grab our Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. It looks kind of like this. And it's like in addition to their Hangover Primer, and we're just going to spray that all over our face. And this primer actually makes your skin look so super flawless. So I love that. Next, we're gonna grab an Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer that I'm actually running out of. And I'm just gonna hit that on my troubled areas. I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm gonna use my Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation in shade M20. So I'm just gonna pop this all over my face. And even though I like using a beauty blender, I'm actually gonna use this foundation brush to blend it all in. Next, we're gonna do bronzer, grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. Basically, I'm just doing my normal routine. So we're going into our cheekbones, hollowing that out a bit. Okay, the next thing I'm doing is grabbing this blush by Karity, and I'm grabbing this very orange shade. And I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks, but I'm gonna make it kind of dramatic. And I'm gonna drag just a little bit of that color up, and then I'm just gonna blend a little bit on the bottoms. And you can even do this like more circular than me to really give it like that scary look. Next, I'm grabbing my Tarte palette, and I am going to use the cream contour, and I'm going to shape out my nose. The bottom of your nose isn't gonna matter that much because we're going to paint it. Alright, let's blend this out. Next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm just going to do them how I do them every day. Okay, so our brows are done. Hooray! So next, I'm going to grab my Huda Beauty palette, the Desert Dusk edition, because it's got a lot of like really nice autumn colors, oranges and reds and burgundies. So I think that will like make it pop. For my eyeliner, I'm using this ColourPop eyeliner. I'm gonna tightline and line my upper waterlines with this. Completely forgot that I never even like powdered. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna dip our little beauty blender. I'm gonna go under my eyes, sides of my nose. I'm just gonna go here too. Okay, now that I look nice and scary, I'm done with my powder, and I can move on to my eyeshadow. I like this look. So we're gonna start with Eden, which is this really beautiful light orange shade, and I'm applying that kind of like above my crease and winging it out just a bit. Next, I'm grabbing another type of blending brush, but this one's clean, and I'm grabbing Blazing, which is like a very kind of like vibrant orange, and I'm applying that in my crease, just kind of like a fluffy crease. It's like kind of tickles my eye a little bit. Next, I'm getting Blazing again, but on a tinier brush. And I'm applying that straight to my crease again. I'm just doing this so it adds like dimension and depth and a lot of pigment. I'm just gonna wing that out just a tiny bit. Next, I'm gonna grab Amber, which is like a dark kind of like, I wanna say a toasted orange, and I'm gonna apply that to my outer corners and wing it out just a bit. And I'm also applying that to my inner corners as well. Okay, so I super like dig this eyeshadow. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. For the middle, I'm actually gonna grab the middle. I don't know why it sounds so funny when I say it. I'm gonna grab Celestial, which is like this gold. I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers right in the middle. Next, I'm gonna grab my black eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my upper lash line. Got a little bit under my eye, whoops. And I'm just gonna wing it out tiny bit. Next, I'm gonna grab my brush and just brush away all of this powder. Next, I'm just gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and pop on some fake lashes. Bam, we have our lashes on. We are like drama. I can't hear myself at all with those headphones in. So anyway, next up. So we're gonna grab this black liner and go in the outer part of our waterline. Next, we're gonna grab a white eyeliner, and we're gonna do the rest of our waterline with that. And we're probably gonna go in with a second coat of the white liner later. And then we're gonna actually go back to our black, and we're gonna line our bottom lash line. Okay, do you already see like with the white liner and the under the lash line how much bigger this eye looks? It's like ginormous compared to this eye. Like it looks like huge. So that's our goal, is to kind of look like almost like cartoony, scary, like unreal. So hooray. So let's do it to that eye. I think I'm gonna use pencil. So what we're gonna do is kind of just make like fake lashes. Perfect, now let's do it on the other eye. Next, we're gonna grab some actual mascara, and we're gonna fill in our lower lashes. Next, we're gonna grab this little eyeliner again. This eyeliner is getting a heck of a lot of use, and we're basically gonna draw like a smile. And then I'm just gonna thicken it up a little bit. So now what we're gonna do is add little stitches. So basically just make X's. I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't love these lips at all. They're coming off. So I'm gonna redraw them, and I'm drawing doll lips instead. I don't know why, I just have a feeling I'm gonna like doll lips a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna fill it in with this red lipstick because we're gonna be doing red on our nose. I like the red lips a lot better, and I'm gonna draw just one more stitch. So now I think the most fun part is we're gonna draw like a little button on our nose, basically. There's our little button. And you can fill this in with whatever you want, but I'm actually gonna fill this in with the red lipstick, and I'm gonna wait 2 seconds for that to dry. Now this is probably about dry. So it's time to do little X's on it, little stitches. Not quite dry. We could always draw the X's on the outside, which are just V's. Okay, we've got our V's. Go wait for this to dry. And that is the finished look. I put my hair in little pigtails, but I'm actually gonna have a tutorial on how to get like a more kind of like Scarecrow-y vibe. So be sure to look for that. I'll also have it linked below once it is up. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not, and comment if there's any other makeup tutorials you want to see because I want to do a ton. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.